Very good evening to everybody. We are from Vasudeva Realtors Private Limited. Basically an enterprise by US based and RIs. And coming to real estate sector, yes, we have been into the market for more than 8 years. Into many of the projects where we have enlisted in the projects that yes, we are into 8 domains covering all the prospects. And majorly we are into high-end luxury villas and apartments. Two of the major projects that we have done through where we have got excellent feedback were from Lalitanjali and Lalita Bloomfield, which is at Nanakram Goda. In fact, this has become a landmark for many of the companies over there because they are looking over there for any living habitats in terms of flats or villas. Now we have another product which is ongoing at Tellapur, which we name it as Ecstasy, and another project at Nanakram Goda itself that we call it as Elation Villas and Elation Towers actually. And the next thing that we are entering into would be commercial, Central Bloomfield commercial. And coming to the prospects and I mean to say in terms of the benefits that we give I can only say that it is basically one of the best living habitats in terms of luxury, in terms of amenities, which we can watch for in all aspects actually. In terms of clubhouse, maybe in terms of your swimming pool layout, which is in a kind of one of a kind in present market, and also your villas and excellent. You got to see them to actually believe them that yes, people are really the reason for people buying more from Vasudeva would be one of the major reasons is at our place. Please visit us. Have a look at it, then we can definitely move on for a better prospect. Yeah, now presently we are into all residentials, and our upcoming project we would be ending up into commercial. And presently as of now we are into completely residential. We are looking at expansion in terms of cities and also power countries actually, definitely, no doubt in that. Our future plan is simple, keep customers happy, keep customers enjoying our amenities, our villas, our luxuries that we are provided by us. That's a major motto. Keep customers happy. That's the last major motto for us. Target, in fact, we have started wherein our apartments and villas, we are already in the process of handover. So we have already handed over some of the flats and some of the villas also.